Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between Robinhood or SoFi Invest. And before starting this comparison video, I want to tell you one thing, because I won't tell you which application is better or which platform is better. I will tell you which one fits you the best, because both applications are great to use and I won't ever tell something negative about one of those platforms. So let's start right here with the main focus on Robinhood. And the main focus on Robinhood is simple investing and trading. Then if you look right here to SoFi Invest, SoFi Invest, the main focus is investing integrated with personal finance. Then if you go to best for, Robinhood is the best for beginner investors and traders, and SoFi Invest is the best for long-term investors and SoFi users. Then if you look to the trading tools, Robinhood has a basic chart and trading tools, and SoFi Invest has a automated investing, stocks and ETFs tool. Then if you look right here to the interface on Robinhood is extremely simple and beginner friendly, and on SoFi Invest it's more modern and easy to navigate. If you look to the fees and trading costs, Robinhood is commission free on trading and SoFi Invest is commission free on stocks and ETF trading. So if you're asking me in a quick summary, if you want to choose Robinhood, that is better for simple investing, stocks, ETF, options trading and active investing. And if you want to choose SoFi Invest, it's better for the long-term investing, automated portfolios, retirement planning and personal finance management. So hopefully after seeing this video, you know exactly right now which one will fit you the best. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.